Hello my dear children of class 3. Today we will do GK, right? So before we begin the topic, let me ask you something. When you go out on the road, do you see some sign, some board? You see traffic signals, isn't it? And there are 3 lights. What? Red, yellow and green. What does red signifies? Stop. And then yellow? Yellow is wait. And green is go. Right? So today what we are going to do is sign on the road. And why do you think that we should need all these signs? Because these are the rules for us so that the traffic goes on smooth, no accident occurs, right? So we have to follow certain rules and regulations. You must have seen board near the school, 2 children walking and it's written school ahead. That means what? Making the people aware that next stoppage or the next is the school is coming ahead, so go slow. If the people they are driving school area, so all these things we see, but have we ever realized there are different shape and color of these signs? These signs give clues to the type of information, right? If two-wheeler parking is needed, then you will see a sign. Public will know where they have to follow these type of rules. So let us do this topic, sign on the road, from your GK book, page 22. Sign on the road. Have you ever wondered what those road signs in red, black and blue means? Take a quick look at them. Okay, look here. Now, circular signs with red borders. Red border signs which must be obeyed by law. This one says do not turn left. So this symbol is what? Do not turn left. Cross you can see, right? So that is prohibited. Do not. Okay, and the red signifies that we have to obey the law. Next, look at the symbol, the sign. Triangular signs with red borders are signs that warn you about something. So, triangular shape with red borders is what? It gives us warning. This one says, here, look here, speed breakers ahead. So, the sign of this, you will see the speed breakers. Next one. Now, blue signs, usually rectangular, tell you about a service that is available. You know this one, of course, toilets, right? You will see one sign is what? Ladies' toilet and gents' toilet, right? So for female and for male. Now, understand these road signs. Write the correct sign number in the box provided before each description. So here you see the signs and the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So here, and then you will see the words given here with what? Place provided, a small box is provided here where we will write the numbers. Okay, parking area, that is what? P, number 2. So we will write here number 2. Next is men at work. Now, by the word man at work, you can understand, find out. Number 3, the man is working here, right? So the signs are so simple that you can easily understand. Next is no honking. Very simple. Which symbol, which sign? Number 4. That means no noise. Especially near the hospitals or schools, you will see this sign. Okay, the next one. No cycles allowed. That means cycles prohibited. Not allowed means prohibited. Okay. So, which one? See here. Cycle is, the picture of a cycle as a cross. That means what? No. Prohibited. No cycle allowed. So, we will write number 1 here. Next, restaurant. Restaurant. Look here. Number 6. Can you see a knife and a fork? Right. We'll do number 6. Then school ahead. See, the boy is going to school. So, number 5. Now what we'll do, I'll show you few more, okay, and talk about it. So this is the sign of stop, okay, and this is a sign of no entry, right? There's an arrow and a cross. That means what? Not allowed, no entry. Next is a man is walking and it is again given a cross. That means what? Pedestrian prohibited, not allowed to walk in that area. Okay, horn prohibited. Then again a cross sign is given, which is also given in the book, right? Horn prohibited. Now this is a sign of no parking, right? It's P and there's a cross with red. Okay. Now look at these two signs. Narrow road ahead. Okay. You see here, it's becoming narrow in front, right? So that means narrow road ahead. Next is sign of bridge. Narrow bridge, right? Next is pedestrian crossing. So you are allowed to walk, you are allowed to cross. Next is school ahead. You see two children walking. That is also given in your book. Next is roundabout, right? Now look here, it's written 50 and speed limit. That means you cannot drive beyond the speed limit of 50. Okay, that means if you go beyond 50 speed limit, that means you are breaking the law. Okay, this is so person who is driving should not exceed this number. The speed should not exceed beyond 50. It should be 50. Just go through this, and it is important to know at least the common ones. It will help us, isn't it? Now this will be your homework. These are the traffic signs and you have to identify it. Find out what does this sign means. So you have to identify the signs and this will be your homework. Okay, write in your book, GK book, and send it to me in the school mail ID. Find out. So till we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye.